guys, it's Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry with a very simple link tutorial today. It's created from 24 gauge wire, very easy to make and very light if you make earrings. It's so light. Also creates amazing link that you can add to your more complicated pieces. There is a piece like this, we made it before. If you search the channel, if you're interested to make this weave, you can do it. And the link is right here. So you can combine between your handmade chains, and I used 24 gauge as well as 26 gauge in sterling silver, and I really like it. So I hope you will pick up your wires and wire wrap with me. So I will work with 24 gauge. I actually made this link on piece from my box, but you can use anything, a ruler or something, because the point is has to be something that you can easily remove and has to be not really thick, so it's like flat. Let's see how long it is. It is 1 inch and 3/4. So that's the length for my links, for these links. So you can find something, any object that is maybe a long ruler, it will be like that. So you just want to, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. You can make it links smaller, shorter, right? But I was just at the show playing with my 24 gauge, and that's what I create, and I like it. So I will leave a little tail, not a lot, maybe an inch or something. And I will calculate this as a 1. And we need 5 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5, I cut exactly the same length. It's organic, so you guys can be, it can be, if you like more, if you like 6 or something, 7, you can do that too. Gently remove from your piece of plastic, and I just wire wrap 7 wraps around. 3, 4, 5. If you, because you have short wire, you can use your pliers. 5, 6, doesn't have to be 7, it could be less. 6, and we have number 7. When I did earrings, I like to have the same amount so it looks good on a piece, but like I said, it's organic, so here will be even 8 because I didn't want to cut my wire. Same we'll do on the other side. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Okay, done. Either can cut or you can make it like the other part I did 8. So it can be a link for something. Just make sure it's the wire not scratching anything. And then what I did is you can put something, it could be also your round nose pliers. So because we want to attach this to your link, to your chain, so I just squish it a little bit, so it will be nice place for your jump ring, right? Same with the other angle, end. And then it's all creativity, you know. You can twist some of them. I like to spread a little bit of some sides out like this, and then I would twist some wires so they have like this organic nice feel. Something like that. Same here on top. And when you're happy with what you have, you can lock your shape. Like, you can just put it on the block and hammer with your rubber mallet. But make sure you like the way how it looks, because when you hammer it, it will be difficult to change the shape. Mine is organic, completely organic. So I just play a little bit, I like twist a little bit here, just sort of connect them up here. And that's the link I want to share. I know it's very, very simple and light. That's what I like about it. So the earrings are very light and long enough. And somebody asked me about ring. It's also very easy to make. It's just simple wire, and here is the wires that I use for those rings. The thickest possibly you have. This one is very old. It's an old electrical wire, recycle material. So length, you just cut pieces. It's 2 3/4 inch, and I just simply hammer both ends. I just hammer. Then I use file, and I also texturize a little bit with the hammer. I don't have hammer here. I thought I have it. So yeah, just texturize with your hammer. Another question was about those links, and I thought, since we're talking about links today, round links, you can use your ring mandrel, and it's also made from 24 gauge wire. So whatever, depends on how huge your link, how big you want it. You can use it the tiniest one, even smaller one. You can look on any object that you have, maybe any round object that you like, the size. I make sometimes earrings like that because they look so cute with simple gem. And then nice about ring mandrel that there are sizes, so you can, if you make earrings and you decide that you want a size 3, you can make copy. For the necklaces, could be size 7, let's say. So it's like same, you just wire wrap around 3, 4, let's say 5. And that's the number you want it. You remove from your mandrel. Look like a little mess. What you do is, with one end, I just simply tie it here. 1, 2, leave it. Then I do perfectly on the other side. We'll do again 1, 2, then to make it something like that, I put round nose pliers, and because it's 24 gauge, I go around twice. 1, 2, it's 2 wraps. You can hold on that nice and try to go around now, hugging, so that we do it twice, go around the frame, and you have your connector on one side done. And cut your wire. Nicely tuck your wire. There you have it. And same with the other end. You just simply put the, you see, if I feel like this is not symmetrical, then instead of going this way, I go the other way. So I do twice. I love wire because wire is very forgiving. If you make mistakes, there's no mistakes in wire wrapping actually. So yeah, we have this, and then we go around the inside in the frame. Just anchor it. There you go. Cut. And here is your connector. So when you're done, to make it more stronger, definitely have to use your block and your hammer and hammer it. Let me just use this guy so it will not make too much noises. And I just would make it, I never have a hammer so strong, like I don't beat wire because it's 24 gauge, so you better to do a lot of tapping, but light tapping, and you will feel it. You will feel your wire. You will see when the wire is hammered like a couple times, you can feel it. It's so strong. It will go nowhere, even though it's 24 gauge, but it's so safe for using in your jewelry. So here it is. Also, you can make it more organic. Before you hammer, before you lock your shape, you can play with those wires. You can, like, there are some pieces that I did before in the past. I just make it each one a little bit, those little dents, and wiggle the wire. It looks so pretty. It looks very organic. After a liver of sulfur and you clean it, it looks gorgeous. So I hope this video was helpful. Maybe next time I will create something more, because now with the traveling, it's so difficult to create something new. It just nothing pops in the brain. Also, I was thinking soon I will start something new, and if you guys listening me, and just to drop a comment below if you think it will be helpful. It will be other side of the jewelry too. I want to start talking about how I create, what inspired me, places that I visit, all kinds of like my thoughts about healing, because I feel like we all traumatized, and healing very important for us, and it's jewelry is one of my healing tools too, but there's a lot of other sites and places that I love, and I can videotape that and put it maybe every Thursday, and I will put in different playlists, so you can guys, whoever who want to watch it can watch it. Also, I will show some jewelry that I create that inspire me, that place inspire, or something like that. Just leave me a comment below what you think. I think I want to just start something new, and I feel it will be interesting for a lot of people, because I noticed 95% of people who watching me are girls, and I really want to have that girl talk. Not that I don't like the other 5%, but you know what I mean. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next Tuesday. Just let me know what you think about Thursdays. Thank you. See you on Tuesday.